Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hi and happy Sunday, and today is 7th of July and I'm trying to make a weekly vlog again. I hope this time it works out, but anyway, as you saw in the previous clips, I went to Insadong to meet my friend and then I had few errands to do before I came home. So a lot is happening with me these days, so 정신 없었어. So I got off one stop later than Hewa, and then I changed the bus stop and then got on the bus again and then went back to Hewa, and I got the phone cover. Is the phone cover that I got, and my phone had no cover since like past 2 days, and I'm not brave enough to use my phone without a cover, so I had to get it today by any chance. So this is what I got from the two I showed you. And then I hopped on to the bus again to get off at Mia Sagori because I wanted to buy some fruits for tomorrow's breakfast. But they had no fruits at all because I think I was late. And I came to my neighborhood. I went to Daiso to get some nails because I thought they need some grooming. And then my last stop, as you saw, was the mart, where again I hoped I would get the bananas, but they had no bananas. So I ended up buying the energy bar that I showed you. Mostly the remaining of my Sunday would be talking to my family, self-grooming, doing my nails, and sleeping early because tomorrow I have to get up early and go to work. So yeah, I am doing a summer internship in Korea, fully in Korean. If you want to know how a life of an intern is in Korea, do watch it till the end.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just
Happy Monday. I don't know किसी के लिए मंडे हैप्पी होता भी है या नहीं, बट हैप्पी मंडे. And it's 6:30 a.m. in the morning and I have to leave right now because मेरे office के timings 8:30 to 5:30 है, and my office is like 1.5 hours from here, and I decided to leave early today because I wanted to have some breakfast at the convenience store. So let's go, otherwise मैं late हो जाऊँगी. I'll see you later at the convenience store. It's still so dark outside because it's officially the rainy season in Korea, and it has been raining crazy since like past 2 days, and thank God it's not raining now, but I think it's going to rain later in the day. But I have my umbrella, I'm ready, and I'll be in the office for like 8 or 9 hours, so I don't have to worry about anything. One thing good about my office is that they don't care what you wear. They're like, just it's like wear anything you feel is comfortable. Even with the sandals and the shoes, you can wear slippers to the office. So I love that. And you know, you can't wear shoes in rainy seasons, which I did yesterday and I regret it. So I'm wearing sandals today. I don't think you can even hear me. I'll meet you later, guys. फाइनली जो मैं कल से ढूंढ रही थी, बट इतना महंगा पड़ा. इट्स लाइक अराउंड 125 रुपीज़ के 5 केले.
이라서 너무 못생겨가지고
모자이크 해줄게.
부산으로 가리겠습니다. 여러분들도 수고 많으셨어요.
수고 많으셨어요. 바이. Welcome home. So, as you all saw, sorry, I just made खाना, तो उसका ठसका लग रहा है. ठसके को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? Anyway, आपने देखा मैं अभी मार्ट जाके आई. I got oil and चपाती. मैं ऑनेस्टली चपाती नहीं बनाती घर पे बिकॉज इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, एंड इतना टाइम होता नहीं है कि मैं आटा भी गूंदूँ, उसको मैं बेलूँ एंड देन सेकूँ भी. सो आई जस्ट गेट चपाती. इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट चपाती, इट्स लाइक टॉर्टियाज विच टेस्ट सिमिलर टू चपाती, बट वो मैदे का टेस्ट आता है थोड़ा सा फिर भी. बट इट्स लाइक काम चलाओ, सो काम चला लेती हूँ मैं. ये फाउंडेशन काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है वैसे. गेस करो कौन सा फाउंडेशन है. काफ़ी पॉपुलर है right now everywhere around the world, and if you are curious, go on Instagram and find out which foundation it is. ऐसे tortilla बिल्कुल चपाती जैसे दिखता है. We'll eat this and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Happy Tuesday. It's 6:50 a.m. and I'm already out of the house going for my internship. And yeah, I don't know आज क्या करेंगे हम, but I think it might be similar to what you guys saw yesterday, but then definitely lunch will be different. Our lunch plans will be different, so stay tuned. And I might also go and meet one of my friends after work, so I'll see you later. Bye. Literally my savior in the morning.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
हैप्पी वेंसडे. इट्स ऑलरेडी वेंसडे. मतलब टाइम इतना फास्ट जाता है कि पता ही नहीं चलता है. मे बी बिकॉज मैं पूरा दिन ऑफिस में बैठी हुई रहती हूँ तो टाइम जल्दी चला जाता है. बट एनी वे, आई लव दिस सनलाइट. एंड पता है मैं थोड़ी सी अजीब लग रही होंगी बिकॉज मैंने लिपस्टिक नहीं लगाया, बट आई हैव डन माई मेकअप, सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर माई लिप्स टू गेट हाइड्रेटेड सो दैट आई कैन पुट द लिपस्टिक. But it's already 6:30. I have to eat something first and then leave. I also have some work to do, like इधर उधर का काम, वो भी 5-10 minutes में निपटा के I will leave. And yesterday I told you that I'll meet you at home, but I was so tired. I just came home. I made nachos and I made potato chips. Not chips. What is that called? Potato bites. And ate that, and then I talked to my family and slept. And yeah, same like always. I don't know what else I'm going to do today rather than working, but stay tuned and come with me. बनाना के अलावा मैंने कोरिया में काफ़ी फ्रूट्स बहुत कम खाए वैसे. समटाइम्स आई हैव वाटरमेलन जब फेस्टिवल होता है. फेस्टिवल सीजन जब वाटरमेलन का सीजन होता है आई ईट वाटरमेलन समटाइम्स, बट इट्स टू एक्सपेंसिव, वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. बट दिस टाइम आई थिंक स्ट्रॉबेरी सीजन में मैंने बहुत सारे स्ट्रॉबेरीज खाए बिकॉज इट वॉज रीजनेबल. द प्राइस वॉज रीजनेबल दिस टाइम. एंड मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी पिकिंग के लिए भी गई थी. इफ़ यू हैव नॉट वॉच दैट व्लॉग, मैं ऊपर उसको पिन कर दूँगी. डू वॉच इट. इट वॉज सो मच फन. एंड अगर आप कभी कोरिया आओ तो स्ट्रॉबेरी पिकिंग इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हीलिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस. सो yeah, do plan it in your itinerary. Anyway, I'll do my work. Finally out of the house and I'm late. It's 7:05, but it's okay. Let's go. फ्रॉम होम. तो मैंने सुबह बोला कि कोई प्लान्स नहीं है आज, बट इतने सारे प्लान्स बन गए कि मुझे ही नहीं पता. बट या आई एम शिफ्टिंग, आई एम मूविंग इन लाइक नेक्स्ट 15 days. सो आज मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करने गई थी नए घर का, एंड अभी मैं घर आके जस्ट बैग रख के आई एम गोइंग टू हैव डिनर विद वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, वन ऑफ माई क्लोजेस्ट ऑनली. एंड हम बहुत दिन बाद आज इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में जाने वाले हैं. एंड या बाय द वे मैंने बोला दैट आई एम मूविंग इन लाइक 15 days, 10-15 days. सो आई माइट बी uploading a moving vlog. I don't know, because I don't know how busy I'll be and how difficult it's going to be for me. But yeah, I will try to make a vlog and I'll upload it on YouTube. Who's that sexy? It's a Friday, finally. 2 दिन की छुट्टी, it's a weekend.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Hello and happy Saturday. So it's finally the weekend and I woke up at 11 o'clock in the morning. My god, that was so mentally calming. Waking up at 11 a.m. because I wake up at 5:30 on the weekdays. So yeah, anyway, yesterday after coming home I ordered a pizza and I ordered large size purposely so that I can have it today also for lunch. And I didn't record anything because I forgot, honestly. Yeah, I forgot and I was tired. And now I am all ready. I am heading to meet my friend, and also we are going to one of the cheapest Korean underground market. Yeah. And then I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe we'll go have dinner and then go to a cafe and then I'll come home. Yeah, that is it. And it's so hot today. I mean, it's the rainy season, but look at the sun on my face. I love the glow, but I don't love the heat. So this comes so handy in South Korea. But anyway, I need to go because I'm already late. Ta-ta! Let's go.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be.
हनगांग पे आए और चिकन नहीं खाया तो फिर क्या खाए?
झालं का सांगा. आंध्या खतरनाक दिसतोय आंबे ते थांब याला बी
Happy Sunday! Look who I met. So, again, yesterday मैं आके थक गई थी तो मैं सो गई थी. And now today, ऐसे ही we just booked a dance studio to shoot some videos and also just dance because it releases stress. I love dancing because it releases stress. And अभी फिलहाल लाइफ में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. तो I need dance. So anyway, we are going to shoot a lot of videos. Go check it on Instagram. पता नहीं, maybe before this vlog few of the videos will be up. And मैं Instagram page link कर दूँगी, so go check. It's water break. This is going to be Let's go home now. घर जाके अभी खाना बनाते हैं. So I'm back home after a dance session and I really enjoyed it because I danced after a long time, like, you know, in a proper studio and shooting dance videos. I really enjoyed it. And I want to end this vlog here, but before that, I want to show you what I got yesterday from the GoTo Mall. And GoTo Mall is known as one of the cheapest underground market in Korea. I got this night dress. It's like a 3-piece night suit. This is how it looks like, and I love the cherry details on this. So it's like a 3-piece night suit. So it has the shorts and also like the long pants. So it's so nice because I can wear the shorts now in summer and, you know, pair it up with the long pants in winter. So I liked it, and this was only for 10,000 Korean won. So a steal deal. So I got it, and my friend also got the same one. So, you know, we were just thinking that whenever we have a night out, we can wear the same outfit. So this is what I got next. It's like a net top. It has like balloon sleeves and I love the details. And from the back, we can also tie it according to our, you know, waist size. So it really fits good. And I like the design on this, you know, it gives me somewhat Indian vibes. So I got this one. The next thing I got is this. I mean, look how cute this is. The color is also so pretty, and the sleeves, when you wear it, they like stand up like this, you know, and it doesn't fall. So it looks so classy and so cute. The last thing I got is this one piece. And I was thinking a lot before buying this because I was really confused. But my friend, she's like, this is going to look so pretty on you. So it's like a knee length dress, and it has tie details at the back, and the design, my god, look at the design. It is so pretty and it looks good on me. So I was like, why not get it? And it was not that expensive. It was around 19,000 Korean won, and you don't get anything like this in 19,000 Korean won in Korea. So I just got it. It's a TMI, by the way. I don't like white color or off-white color because it makes my skin look more darker. You know what I mean, right? But I couldn't resist buying this, and it honestly looks really good and pretty on me. If you follow me on Instagram, you might see me wearing this, you know, and posting stories and pictures. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the ID somewhere on the screen, and also I'll mention it in the description box. So go follow me on Instagram for more videos like this in my life in Korea. And yeah, that's it for this weekly vlog. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, 안녕히 계세요.